In the last video, I showed you how to build your first AI side hustle from scratch. How to find a problem, create an offer, and use automation to deliver results fast. But now, it's time for the next step. Because building a side hustle is one thing, turning it into a system that runs automatically is another. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to automate your first AI income system in 2025. We'll go step by step, from setup to execution. And by the end, you'll understand exactly how to make your income work even when you don't. Let's get started. When most people hear automation, they think of robots or complex software. But in 2025, automation means something much simpler and much more powerful. It means connecting tools so your tasks complete themselves. Imagine this. A client fills out a short-form arrow. AI generates what they need. Arrow. The result is delivered automatically, arrow, and you get paid instantly. No manual emails, no copy-pasting, no constant follow-ups. That's what we're building. The key idea is that your system replaces repetitive human effort with a combination of AI logic, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini. Automation triggers, Zapier, Make.com. And cloud tools, Google Sheets, Notion, Drive, Stripe. Automation isn't about doing less work. It's about doing the right work, once, and letting the system repeat it forever. Before you start connecting anything, you need clarity. Automation fails when people start wiring tools together without understanding the flow of money and information. So, take 5 minutes and write this out. Input. Where does the request come from? Client form, email, website. Process. What happens automatically? AI creates, edits, formats, or posts. Output. Where does the result go? Email, Drive folder, Notion dashboard. Payment. How do you get paid automatically? Stripe, Gumroad, PayPal. Now, visualize it like this. Request arrow AI, process arrow, delivery arrow, payment. That's your first income pipeline. Example, let's say you help small businesses create social media content using AI. Your flow could look like this. Client fills out a short-form arrow. ChatGPT generates captions and hashtags arrow. Canva Magic Studio creates visuals arrow. The final post gets sent to a shared Google Drive arrow. Payment is collected through Stripe automatically. You've just turned a freelancing service into a semi-passive income machine. Next, you need the platform that connects everything. In 2025, 2 tools dominate automation for creators and solopreneurs, Zapier and Make.com. Zapier is the simplest. It's visual, reliable, and perfect for small workflows. Example. When a new form is submitted, send data to ChatGPT. Email the result. Make.com is more advanced and cheaper for bigger setups. You can build entire income systems that run 24/7, generating, formatting, and delivering results. If you're starting out, begin with Zapier. Once your income system grows, move to Make.com to handle scale and customization. Pro tip, don't automate everything at once. Start with the most repetitive part, maybe generating client reports or sending files. And automate that first. Build one layer at a time. Let's build something practical together. I'll walk you through an example that anyone can adapt. Suppose your AI side hustle offers content creation for small businesses. Here's your loop. Trigger. A client submits a Google form with their brand info. Action 1. Zapier sends that info to ChatGPT to generate 5 post ideas. Action 2. The ideas are sent to Canva Magic Studio or Gamma to create visuals. Action 3. The content is saved to a Google Drive folder and emailed to the client automatically. Action 4. Stripe triggers a payment confirmation email. No manual work. You built once and it now runs automatically for every client. You can even take it further. Notion AI to track which clients were served. Make.com to schedule delivery emails every Monday. Google Sheets to log every payment and calculate revenue. Now you have a real income system, not a gig. Example in the real world. A freelancer built an AI content system just like this. It now runs 200 clients through automated workflows, and he only checks it once a week. That's the power of automation in 2025. This is where things get interesting. AI tools are no longer isolated. They now have APIs and integrations that let you link them together seamlessly. Here's how you can connect them. ChatGPT or Claude. Use API keys to process text, generate content, or analyze data. Google Sheets. Store prompts, results, or client info. Zapier or Make.com. Move the data automatically between apps. Canva or Leonardo AI. Generate visuals when triggered by AI outputs. Notion or Airtable. Track progress and client status automatically. You can even add smart logic. If the AI result includes error, send an alert to your email. If payment fails, pause automation. This makes your system self-correcting, a true digital business. Pro tip, keep your automations visual. Draw them or use Make.com's flow diagrams. It helps you scale faster later. Now let's talk about the money, because automation without payment is just practice. You want to make sure you get paid automatically without manual invoices or follow-ups. Here's how to do it. Set up Stripe or Gumroad for instant checkout. Connect it to your automation platform. When payment is confirmed, trigger the workflow. Send results automatically after delivery. That way, every time someone buys your service, the AI system runs, delivers, and confirms, all without you lifting a finger. This turns your workflow into an AI-powered product. Example: a designer sells AI-generated brand kits. When someone pays on Gumroad, it triggers a Make.com scenario. ChatGPT builds a brand identity. Midjourney creates a logo. Canva formats everything. And the final files are emailed instantly. He wakes up to new sales every morning, fully automated. Once your system works, don't rush to scale. Test every automation carefully. Send fake requests, check email formatting, test failed payments. Because the more reliable your system is, the less time you'll waste fixing mistakes later. Then, document everything. Keep a Notion page or Airtable sheet with every tool used, the logic of each automation, and what triggers what. That's your AI asset library. Once you document one system, you can reuse 80% of it to build another income stream later, in hours, not weeks. Example: a creator automated his entire consulting funnel. Every time someone booked a call, AI sent prep materials, reminders, and follow-ups, all without him. He turned a one-person business into a scalable machine. Here's the mindset that changes everything. Stop thinking like a freelancer who trades time for money. Start thinking like a system designer who builds machines that make money. AI gives you leverage, but automation gives you freedom. Once your income system runs on its own, you can use your time to build more systems, create new offers, or just live your life. In 2025, that's the real definition of success. Income that keeps moving even when you pause. So that's the easiest way to automate your first AI income system in 2025. You don't need to code, you don't need a team, you just need to build once and connect the dots smartly. If you found this useful, subscribe and turn on notifications. I'm Alex, and this is Wealth Circuit. See you in the next one.